Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Google domain to WordPress. We'll cover two primary methods, updating name servers and configuring a records. Each approach suits different hosting setups, ensuring your website goes live smoothly. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to point your domain to your WordPress site, making it accessible to everyone online. Let's get started with the first method. The first method involves updating your domain's name servers. Begin by logging into your Google Domains account and selecting the domain you wish to connect. Find the DNS section and replace the default Google name servers with the ones given by your web hosting provider. Remember to save these changes. It can take up to 48 hours for these updates to fully propagate across the internet, so patience is key. Alternatively, you can use a records to point your domain. This method is often used when your hosting provider doesn't require name server changes. In Google Domains, go to the DNS management page and find the custom resource records. Here, you'll add in a record, entering your web host's specific IP address. Also, create a CNAME record for www that points to your domain name. Save these settings. Once your DNS changes are complete, the next step is to install WordPress on your hosting account. After installation, double-check that your domain is correctly set within your WordPress general settings. If you've made recent changes, clear any website caching to ensure you see the most current version. Finally, open a web browser and type in your domain name to confirm your WordPress site is live and accessible to everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.